The next question is a British civil servant, David, I think it's O'Donnell. Christianity teaches that sacrifice was necessary for the forgiveness of sins through Jesus Christ. What do Muslims teach and believe?
We believe that sacrifice is necessary on the part of the sinner to achieve forgiveness. If you sin and somebody else sacrifices for you, that will be illogical for you to accept, to believe even for a minute that your sins will be forgiven. Now there are how many Christians in the world? 1 billion or more. And most of them, unfortunately, in this present distorted age, have become sinners. So you think just their belief in Jesus Christ would transfer all their sins to the shoulders of Jesus Christ? It's just a myth. It's just a tale. It has no substance in it.